Right, over on the Spear and Jackson stand at the ScrewFix Live 2025, and I'm over with Matt, who's going to just give us a few minutes, tell us what products they've got, probably why they're here at ScrewFix, how they've got involved with ScrewFix to be in their ScrewFix catalogue, and just tell us a little bit about the business and probably a bit about himself. So I'll swivel the camera around. As we do, I believe all the mics are on, so you should be able to hear him. Hello, Matt. Thanks for having me on the stand today.
No problem. So Spear and Jackson have been going since 1760. It's over a 260-year-old company. Still headquartered in Sheffield today. So obviously started with the Sheffield steel. We've been with ScrewFix for a number of years now. And yeah, we support them every year by coming to ScrewFix Live. It's an amazing show. We've got live music, celebrities, some amazing deals on. Yeah, what we do is this year we've got 15% off the entire range. Yeah, we have a big range of ScrewFix, landscaping tools, modern tools. What we've got with us today is mainly just from the garden range. So we've got a bit of digging and cultivating. We've got razor sharp cutting. Everything's got 10-year guarantees. All carbon steel, razor sharp range. And as you can see, it's really, really popular.
You're a busy stand, so I've been waiting a good few minutes to get to talk to you. What I'm seeing, are those geared up for, I can't say dwarfs. No, I can't say dwarfs anymore.
Really?
It's not something that Snow White is going to be buying anybody for Christmas, but it's for little people. So you've got your kids that you want to get into gardening. Spear and Jackson have a range of tools for.
That's it.
You see that?
Kids really like it. It's great for camping.
Yeah.
Having in the back of your car for emergencies. If you're snowed in. Builders use it for trenching as well when they're in a confined space.
Yeah, I've joked about little people and everything, but they are. It's a bit like if you can get a snooker cue that's a little bit shorter when you're up against a wall. This is that version of a spade, a shovel, and that's it. But you've got a bit of everything for the gardener here.
Yeah.
Which I know there's a lot of painters and decorators do a bit of gardening as well. We've got a joke on that one, but yeah.
It's such a tool-heavy trade show. Being the only garden vendor, really stand out.
Yeah.
Everyone here is a DIYer, and that means that they take care of their garden as well as their home.
Yeah.
So they come by and they've not done their garden tools, but they see our stand and they go, here's my chance to get a deal on something regular.
As a business over the years, have you noticed an influx of people getting into gardening? COVID probably made it really good for you.
It was a bumpy year for us, definitely.
Yeah.
Great weather. No one was allowed out the house.
Yeah.
Everyone was in the garden. So,
everybody had the garden made over, didn't they?
Yeah, so a really good year for us. That's it. The garden's seen as an extra room of the house now. We're seeing great success with it, building year on year with it.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much for talking to me. There's people behind me who want to get on the stand, so I'll leave you to it. Thank you again, Matt. Shake your hands. Thank you. Cheers.